This videos are creepy. If you like this video, let me know by your like and comment. Before you watch this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon.
Alright, you ready? Yeah. Kind of. Come on, Nick, hurry up.
I'll be right there. Give me 1 second.
Ooh.
Alright, cool. Alright, let's give it a shot.
Hey.
Okay, so.
You ready, guys?
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Is there anyone here?
Besides us.
Come on.
Let's switch spaces. You write down.
All right.
You record.
Monica, you got this. You got this, girl.
Yeah, girl.
All right.
Watch out, Ouija board. We're coming for you. Okay. Is there anyone here with us? Are you?
No.
Are you touching?
Are you?
No.
That's crazy. I'm barely.
I barely have my hands on here at all. What?
Wow.
That is really moving now. Yes. Okay. What is your name?
Ooh. Wow.
What is the deal with these swirly things?
His name is 8.
Z O Z O Z O.
Oh my.
Z. Oh, is your name Zoe?
Oh, it's so freaky. Oh my gosh.
What? No. Okay. Is your name Zozo?
Zozo. Zozo the clown. That is so creepy.
Monica?
What the?
Monica, what are you doing?
Hey!
Monica!
What are you doing?
Oh my god, Monica! Monica, calm down!
In the-
What are you doing?
There we got the candles going, the Ouija board's in there, so we're getting ready to communicate with the dead, I guess.
Yeah, Coy, you gonna take this serious?
Yes.
What is this?
This is me getting possessed. I'm
you
gonna
focus?
be serious. Yes, I can focus.
Wait, I don't want it facing me though. I want it to be towards you.
No, I'm sitting right here.
Oh,
Don't move it.
I thought you were
See,
sitting
you
the
move
other
shit and everything falls off.
The ghosts move it. Are there any spirits out here that would like to communicate with us?
Are you moving that?
No, are you? Stop.
Alright, so far we've gotten that there is a spirit here and that it did die here. So. Okay, can you spell out your name for us on the board?
What is it, Jay?
Okay, J. A. N. Was it, did someone shoot you? Oh my God, what the hell was
I don't
that?
want to do this anymore.
Did you feel that? Are you a bad spirit?
What?
That's cool. I mean, it's cool and scary at the same time. Jan, do you like koi or something? Do you like me? No. Well, I don't understand why you don't like me.
Oh.
What the? What are you doing? Look at the EMF meter.
Koi.
What's this doing?
Koi, are you okay?
Get him down. What the hell is going on?
Hold on, listen. No, come on. He's out there screaming.
There's something wrong with him. Franklin, are you coming?
Yeah, go.
Flashlights?
No, all I got's the infrared.
Koi, are you okay? He's down here. He's down here. You just lunged at me in that barn. Are you okay?
No! I'm gonna go home.
Dude, we need to get in the car and go.
Let's go. Fuck.
Okay, here we are in the room. It's dark, but I got the camera light on so you can see. And there's the girls. And we need something to make the little thing with. Are you a good spirit? What is your name? J. O. H. John. Don't just let your hand rest on it. What do you want? Was it K? K? I? L? Kill. I don't want to do this shit anymore.
Did you guys move it?
No.
Are you sure?
I didn't fucking move it.
I wasn't even touching it for you.
Fuck.
What's that?